This is my stolen Stereo 2011 model, polished or pearl blue with the custom-made background, Primo mix cassette, laced to an Alienation black sheep rim, and Primo 14 gauge Ford spokes, and the stolen Thermalite pedals, worn down, but I don't really like them, not much, with the stolen Mob cranks on both sides, and a stolen stereo frame with the standard headset, with the stolen Convict V3 stem, and the stolen seat and combo seat thing with my front rim. Didn't get this one custom made because I don't need it yet, but it's a stolen revolver rim laced to a stock hub and stock spokes, with the stolen Tornado forks. And these aren't my bars, these are my friends. I switched them out because he wanted bigger bars. I had the 8-inch rise, so I let him use them because I already bought me some bars. I got me the United Grande bars in white and the Animal Edwin De La Rosa grips in blue, and I will be doing a later edit of it. So I got the stolen class ring, 25 tooth, laced with a 9-tooth driver, and with the KNC chain. It's all stock. The Kenda Contact badass tire I do not like. I will be getting the Fit FAF tires with the tan sidewalls later on. And I got a crappy ass Hyper tire on the front, but that's actually holding in. My friend got these lock-on grips with the ODI bar ends, and I think that's about it. It's a very nice bike. I could do the hub sound. Let me see. I don't know if I could do this. It's pretty nice. It's not a clicking sound, but it's a buzz sound. It's pretty loud though. All my friends say it is, and they like it a lot. That is the bike with its whole picture. I took off the brakes because I don't ride brakes. They just scratch up your back rim. I'm hearing something around with the gel ones, but I haven't seen those on Dan's comp. Other than that, it's a nice rim. It's a nice bike. I love it. Just thinking about getting a new frame. Okay. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.